Today we will demonstrate the different types of flaps deployment. Ito yung hydraulic type. Hydraulic type, that's roughly around mga 40 degrees. Ganyan pagka calm yung flight. Tapos pagka i-retract na siya, pag i-retract na yung flaps, mabagal lang din yan eh. Bagal lang yung movement ng flaps. Very, very slow lang yung movement niya. Tapos bumalik dun sa base ng wing. Super slow. Yan. Parang hydraulics, no? Meron namang situation na biglang binababa yung flaps. Ayun. Bigla rin naman binabalik. Parang aileron lang.